Now in this, we will learn about identify which is autosomal dominant. Means we'll identify under this that autosomal dominant, whether this satisfies the condition of autosomal dominant or not, and what are the final rules. Now number one, if you will just see this pictorial diagram, what we can get out of this, that the next generation is sufferer, but parents are normal, they are not the sufferers. Then under such condition, हमने क्या learn किया था? We have learned that autosomal dominant, that means autosome A and dominant capital. So can be this condition or this condition. Fine. Now if I look at this and I'm going to fit in this diagram, so both are normal. If it is an autosomal disease, that means the normal is this. Normal is this and this is a diseased or sufferer. Sufferer. Now, this is a sufferer. So, I'll make this as sufferer. So, sufferer has a condition of this. If I'm going to make this as capital A, but both of them are normal. Normal means they have a recessive condition like this. So tell me, is it possible when both are normal and this for being sufferer, this girl child should have one dominating A? From where he got this? Out of the two? No. So that means this is incorrect. This is not a autosomal dominant pictorial representation. This is wrong. Then another part is that what we have to see, that for an autosomal dominant to identify, we have to see that it should appear, dominating is there, so it should appear in all generations. So it is present in both the generations. Here it was not present in both the generations. So this is not a dominating one. One rule. Now, if I'm not going to look at this again for, say, suppose we can say heterozygous dominant. And if it is a autosomal heterozygous dominant, and this is also a parent who is suffering, father suffering. So maybe the father has a heterozygous and this is a normal, then cap small a, small a. If looking at this, now that means small a, this daughter has got it from the mother and capital A from the father, and that's why she is a sufferer. And in case of this one, small a from mother and small a from father and a normal boy. So this says yes, it is correct, and it's a autosomal dominating tree that we can pictorial diagram, which we can guess. Okay, this is incorrect. Now look at the third one. Third one is that this and this, both of them are, say, suppose heterozygous in nature and dominating. So capital A aa gaya. And here also this is this. Now when we are going to look at the both children, boy and a girl and a boy. Now what happened? They are normal. That means small a from mummy and small a from papa. Again same way this, and this says that yes, this is also one possibility. So this says that this is also autosomal dominating pictorial diagram. So out of the 4 that we got as an options, so 2 are incorrect because all of these are not possible and 2 are possible. Out of these generalizations, what rules we are able to make it here? That means for an autosomal dominating pictorial diagram pedigree, we have to see that unaffected parents, talking about the first one, unaffected parents cannot have affected child. Where this child is shown affected, that means this is incorrect in the terms of autosomal dominating problem. Now, generally present in all the generations. Generally it is present in all the generations. And then under such circumstances, the disease is, or the tree is called autosomal dominating disease. Thank you.